we are looking at how to pronounce these words, and we're going to be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, too many mispronounced in English. Like those two words, for example. Do you know how to pronounce them? Well, stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So the top word is said as ben, so it's a fairly short E sound, ben, as in I have been sick for the last couple of weeks, ben. Now, you could really spell it like B-I-N, ben. Now the bottom word is a type of food. They are called beans, so it's a long E sound, bean, or beans. So the top word again is been. I have been away. The bottom word is been. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. It helps me immensely. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.